model SB8V2. A belt sander like this is excellent for rapid material removal. Whether you're using it on wood or metal or to grind down paint, this tool is going to have great power, you have lots of control, and it's terrific for any type of project, whether in the house, in the shop, or general contracting. It features a powerful 9 amp motor and a variable speed dial here located at the bottom of the handle. Also, it has a convenient trigger lock so that you can keep the tool running while you're using it for extended periods. This is going to aid with fatigue and allow you to have much greater control so you don't have to worry about pressing the trigger while you're using the sander. When using a belt sander like this, you're going to create a lot of dust. To help with this, Hitachi has provided a dust collection bag, which is easily removed, unzipped, and emptied and placed back on the tool. This will collect most of your dust. However, if you're going to use it inside or in an area that you want to create no dust, you can easily remove the bag, attach a hose from any vacuum or dust collector that you may have at home or in the shop, and then you're going to have practically dust-free sanding. The sander also comes equipped with a clear front cover. This allows you to view the belt while you're sanding. It also aids with tracking of the belt. Now what I mean by this is to get the belt to move and be centered on the sander itself, or to move it left or right to get up close to a corner, you can turn this small knob here. What this will do is adjust the angle of the roller, and that will move the belt left or right so that you can get either tight up to the left or right. And by viewing through this clear window in the front, you'll easily be able to see where the belt is landing within the sander, and also check to make sure that you don't have excessive buildup on the belt itself. Changing the belts on this sander is also extremely simple and easy. Just pull this lever in the middle, it loosens the pulley assemblies that tightens the belt. Simply remove the belt, replace, slide a new one on, snap this lever back, and you're ready to sand again. Hitachi has also improved the drive belt system on this sander. A wear-resistant V-belt doubles the service life of the belt drive. A V-groove design helps resist wear and provides superior tension from the motor to the belt assembly. They have also provided soft gripped handles at the front and the rear of the tool. This will provide a comfortable grip for extended use of the tool. It also comes with a 5-year warranty, so this tool will be around for a long time.